Choosing the right long-term investment strategy is like navigating a financial maze, where each path offers different rewards and risks. At Davies Wealth Management, we guide you through four popular strategies to find your perfect fit. Dive into value investing, where hidden gems await those who seek undervalued stocks with growth potential. Follow the wave of innovation with growth investing, targeting companies like Amazon and Google that promise above average earnings. For those craving steady cash flow, income investing offers dividends and interest payments, ideal for retirees. Or embrace market performance with index investing, a passive approach that mirrors the market's ups and downs. Tailor these strategies to your unique needs, considering factors like risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, your investment journey is shaped by your risk appetite, clear objectives, time horizon, and current financial picture. Master asset allocation, embrace diversification, and adapt to market changes. At Davies Wealth Management, we craft personalized strategies, ensuring your financial future is secure. Contact us today for expert advice.